habis.
Indonesia has once again been struck by devastating floods, with the capital, Jakarta, and surrounding regions experiencing some of the worst inundations in recent history. Heavy rainfall that began on March 3rd, 2025 has led to widespread destruction, mass evacuations, and severe disruptions to daily life. Torrential rains caused water levels to rise as high as 3 meters in some parts of Jakarta and neighboring cities, submerging more than 1,000 homes and countless vehicles. Thousands of residents were forced to evacuate as floodwaters surged through streets and residential areas. Jakarta Governor Prano Anung responded by raising the city's alert status to the second highest level, mobilizing emergency resources to drain the water and using weather modification techniques in an attempt to control the disaster. In Bekasi, one of the hardest hit areas, floodwaters breached hospital facilities, forcing the evacuation of patients and causing widespread power outages. Medical personnel scrambled to transfer critical patients to safer areas, while rescue teams deployed inflatable boats to reach stranded residents. The situation was dire, with many families trapped in their homes for hours without access to clean water or food. According to the National Disaster Mitigation Agency, BNPB, as of March 4th, approximately 124,125 people have been affected by the floods. Relief officials have set up shelters to distribute food, medical supplies, and emergency services to those in need. President Joko Widodo expressed his concerns about the ongoing crisis, urging local governments to intensify flood prevention measures and accelerate disaster response efforts. In a national address, he said, "This flood is a wake-up call for all of us. We must work on long-term solutions, including improving drainage systems and strengthening our flood resilience programs." The Ministry of Public Works and Housing confirmed that over 2,000 emergency workers have been deployed to assist with drainage efforts, infrastructure repairs, and temporary housing for displaced residents. However, challenges remain, with many roads still inaccessible and communication networks down in some areas. The Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics Agency has warned that heavy rainfall is expected to persist in the coming days, raising concerns about further flooding and potential landslides. Western Sumatra and other high-risk areas should remain on high alert as the rainfall intensity is unlikely to decrease soon. Dwi Rini explained that authorities have urged residents to remain vigilant and follow evacuation instructions where necessary.